what type of benefits are covered under workers' compensation? Well, the law provides basically for three general types of benefits. One is medical expenses from authorized physicians that are supposed to be paid for by workers' comp. And when I say workers' comp, I usually mean the insurance company of the employer. So the first category is medical expenses from authorized physicians, and that's a big deal. You can't simply go to any doctor and expect the workers' compensation insurance company to pay those bills. Second, if you're off work essentially more than 7 days, beginning on the 8th day, the workers' compensation insurance company is obligated to pay temporary disability. If the employee is off work more than 14 days, then the compensation for temporary disability goes back to the day after the accident. So for all intents and purposes, if you're off more than 2 weeks, then you're going to get temporary disability. Now understand, of course, that you've got to have basically an authorized physician saying that you're unfit for working duty based on the work injury. You can't have a toothache and be off work and expect workers' comp to pay for it. So, the third category after medical expenses and temporary disability is what we call permanent disability. Usually that's permanent partial disability, meaning that the doctor or doctors have treated you, you've been released with a permanent medical impairment. Well, in theory, that permanent medical impairment means that you will have some sort of a vocational or work disability. The medical impairment affects your ability to go out and get jobs in the workplace. So those are basically the three categories of workers' compensation benefits that somebody in Tennessee can get: medical expenses, temporary disability, and permanent disability.